How to fix age restriction on X. This is by official X itself, of course, so it should be reliable over here. So you can restore your account if you signed up for X when under 13 years old. So basically to verify your own age. So X requires people using the service to be 13 years old of age or older. So if you signed up for an account before you were 13 years old and now meet their minimum age requirement, you can regain access to your account by removing some data. So when you restore your account, the information that is removed from your account includes these over here. Basically stuff that were basing when you were before 13. But other information like your handle, contact information, date of birth, people you follow, and the people who follow you will not be affected. But anyways, if your account is eligible for restoration, you'll be prompted to start the process through your X account. So the process can take up to 72 hours and they'll notify you through X and email when your account is ready. So you're gonna note that when your account is eligible for restoration, you'll have 30 days to proceed, and after which you'll no longer be able to regain access to your account. So make sure you know what's gonna happen when you go ahead and try restoring your account, like the stuff or information that will be removed. Anyways, in order to fix the account, you can go ahead and verify it. So you can log into that restricted account, and you'll usually see a notice saying your account is restricted. So you can start the appeal pretty much directly. So just follow the on-screen instructions that appear, and X will typically ask you to submit proof of your real age, so identifications. So the documents like government issued IDs like passports, driver's license, or national IDs. So make sure you do that part properly, and then just wait for review. So the support team will verify your ID and compare it with your account information, and you can finally have an account reinstatement. So if your age is valid, your account will be restored, and if you actually were under 13 when you signed up, X will permanently delete content made before you reach the minimum age. So after that, you will get the access back. So you're just gonna have to go ahead and wait in order to restore your account. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.